case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
German S. Lopez found himself in the center of a landmark Supreme Court legal battle in 1963, charged with attempting to bribe a federal employee, namely an Internal Revenue Service (IRS) agent. The circumstances leading to the much-discussed lawsuit were fraught with devices of subterfuge, wire recordings, secret meetings, and alleged attempts at bribery. Lopez was accused of having multiple underhand meetings with IRS agent Roger S. Davis. During these covert rendezvous, Lopez allegedly offered Davis large sums of money in exchange for dropping a pending case against him. The agent, while refusing to accept the bribe, reported these instances and cleverly recorded subsequent meetings with Lopez, amassing valuable evidence. The contention arose when Lopez moved to suppress the wire recording, arguing that his privacy rights were infringed. This was, however, deemed irrelevant by the trial court, which held that the evidence was legally obtained with the consent of a party to the conversation, a decision the Court of Appeals later supported. In an interesting twist, the defense argued entrapment, adamant that Lopez was induced by Davis to commit the crime. However, this notion was swiftly rebutted by the court as it found no evidence of suggestive government conduct that led Lopez to his actions. Appealing to the Supreme Court on these grounds proved non-successful for Lopez, as it upheld the Court of Appeals' decision, emphasizing that all relevant and competent evidence must be admitted in a criminal trial, with restrictions placed solely on the evidence obtained in violation of constitutional rights. Deeming the wire recordings lawful, the court considered the defense's argument of entrapment insubstantial, due to the absence of any documented government-induced prejudice. With the wire recordings allowed as admissible evidence, Lopez's entrapment defense was rejected, sustaining the charge of attempted bribery and establishing a legal precedent that further asserted the constitutionality of evidence that was lawfully and appropriately obtained.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.